You've been reading fragrance notes wrong this entire time. Exhibit A. Let's use Liquid Brun as an example, and I'm going to put the notes here so you can follow along. This part we already know. It breaks it down in top notes, middle notes, and base notes. What you didn't know is that the size of the picture determines the prominence of that note within the top, middle, and base. Take a look at the top notes. You have cinnamon, orange blossom, cardamom, and bergamot. Lovely. Look at the picture of cinnamon. You see how it's larger than the others? That's because the cinnamon is more prominent than everything else in the top. Orange blossom and cardamom are a little bit smaller but about equal. And then bergamot is smaller because bergamot you hardly notice in the opening. Move on down to the middle. You have bourbon vanilla and elemi. Look how massive the bourbon vanilla is and how small the elemi is. That's because the bourbon vanilla is what majorly stands out in the middle of this. And in the base, you have praline, ambroxan, gaiac wood, and musk. The picture of praline is the largest because that's what stands out the most in this. Ambroxan, gaiac wood, and musk are a little bit smaller and pretty well balanced. If you've heard anyone talk about this, they describe it as a cinnamon, orange blossom, bourbon vanilla praline fragrance. And the size of those notes back it up. Go back and look at note breakdowns on some of your favorite fragrances, and then come back and tell me if this helped you.